Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar gained 0.5% against the yen in the last session. The CCI indicates an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 2.6% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair gained 0.2% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.6% during the session. The ROC's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
A strong rebound by financials helped Wall Street's main indexes close firmly positive after some of the country's largest lenders came to the rescue of embattled First Republic Bank. Bitcoin maintained steady above $25,000 after the Swiss National Bank seemed to head off a European banking crisis by agreeing to lend troubled investment bank Credit Suisse about $50 billion, and investors' hopes rose that the US central bank would turn more dovish at its next rate-setting meeting. Safe haven currencies like the US dollar and the yen were in demand on renewed fears of a global banking crisis after contagion from the implosion of US-based Silicon Valley Bank spread across the Atlantic to Swiss bank Credit Suisse.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The Eurozone's harmonized index of consumer prices will be released at 1000 hours GMT. The Eurozone's labour cost at 1000 hours GMT. The UK's consumer inflation expectations at 0930 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions will be released at 1930 GMT. Japan's tertiary industry index at 0430 GMT. The US capacity utilization at 1315 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.